Basement coming in hot. Bricks setting back.
Quit playing.
Hello, Jawan. I want to play a game. So far, you've been tacky as hell, sleeping with girls left and right, spending recklessly. What you see on the floor is a bunch of refined tax for your tacky ass.
Jigsaw.
Make it out of the bathroom alive, you're a free man.
Dirty mother.
Hello, Jawan. I want to play a game. Another game. You survived the first one, and I didn't like it. What you feel now is a gun to your head loaded with 12 hydroshock rounds ready to blow your head off. Since you think you're so hot, I want you to recite the I'm a Little Teapot song word for word. You get one word wrong, and it's lights out for you.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Gotta get out of here.
Hello, Jawan. I want to play yet another game, since you just won't die. What you feel now is your hands super glued to the steering wheel and your brake lines are cut. You have 5 minutes to get free or I'm blowing this mother up. Good luck.